know. Do you think so?
What the elephant is doing?
Look at it. He's turning around. He's looking at you. It's a nice elephant, huh?
What's the elephant?
You see him, Peter? Do you see the elephant? Can you see him?
I see the other elephant.
You do, huh?
Yeah. Look at the other
There he
elephant. Yeah.
Elephant.
Yeah. Are they playing tag?
Maybe. The elephant?
What are they playing? What are they playing?
Where are they playing?
What are they playing?
What are they playing? I don't know. It's their elephant play. We'll have to read about how they play. I don't know. But they're fun, huh?
Yeah. And the trees are shaking.
Yeah, why are the trees shaking, Gabriella?
Why?
Do you know why? What do you feel in the air? What is that? Oh, that's right. It's the wind, and the wind makes the leaves sing. It's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, it makes the leaves fall down. It makes the leaves fall down.
Uh-huh.
It's getting a little bit faster.
That's nice. We call that rustling. The leaves are rustling in the wind, right? Is that what we call it? Okay, that was a nice